You want to make money online, so you go to YouTube and you come across a video that says you can make over $30,000 a month with a new YouTube account without ever showing your face. After watching the video, you become more motivated than ever and you quickly grab your phone to create a new YouTube account. You find a name, create a detailed bio for your page, and then finally upload your first video. You wait and you wait. Every day when you wake up, you immediately go to YouTube and see how many views you got. You see no new changes. Around 70 to 80% of people will give up right here. Give it 3 more days, around 90% of people will stop being consistent or give up entirely on their new channel. The road to making money online on YouTube is actually not as simple as you might think. Straight up, if you were looking to make money online on YouTube fast and without much effort, you're not going to find a lot of success. You were deceived to trust what many of these YouTubers are saying online when they claim that YouTube is just an easy source of income and you simply need to create an account, reuse videos, and then copy these other popular YouTubers that are seeing a lot of success. But this is farther from the truth. Many of these YouTubers are hiding this one secret from you that I'm about to tell you later on in this video that will actually open your eyes to see what really is required to have a successful and thriving YouTube channel. While not all YouTubers are lying about their channel statistics and how they were able to reach monetization in such a short amount of time, there are so many factors out there that could have helped them achieve success with their channel that just the average person simply does not have or know, which gives them a clear advantage over the normal person. This includes experience, knowledge, skills, and money. Many of these new YouTube channels that you see are actually not new. What I mean by this is that most of these new creators behind these new channels have actually made hundreds of other videos on different channels and have understood the YouTube path to success. If you compare that to the normal you just starting out, of course, these new channels that are being created by these YouTubers with previous experience that have had success in the past before will ultimately understand and have a better chance of success. These are things that many people don't see just from the internet. It is hidden from the viewer's eyes and won't be known unless the creator themselves mentions their prior experience on YouTube. On top of this, many of these new YouTubers that claim that you can make a ton of money creating a YouTube channel without showing your face and having to put in much effort already have a lot of money to invest in their channel. Whether that is advertising or shouting out their channel on their previous channel or spending money on outsourcing editors or analysts to help their channel growth, these are tools that the average person either cannot afford or do not know how to access. Knowing this, you now see how these new YouTube channel creators that have seen massive success from the start have some sort of secret that ultimately separates them from the average newly created channels that fail within 2 to 3 months. This secret is something all of these YouTubers are implementing throughout their channel and their videos in order for YouTube's algorithm to identify and push their videos to a wider audience. I'm about to tell you that this secret is something that you can do without spending a ton of money or even a single penny at all. But it is something that not all people have, and to be real, 90% of people watching this video will not have what it takes to grow a successful channel. And the secret to success on YouTube is dedication. What separates a normal person from a successful person on YouTube is someone that is dedicated to learn and do whatever it takes to reach the next level, even if the desired results are not shown in the present moment. Like I said, 90% of people do not have what it takes and are not willing to go through this extra step. Dedication is what brings that new YouTube channel creator to research, create a script, edit their videos, prioritizing quality rather just for the sake of uploading. While money in this equation can increase your chances of success, it will not automatically make you successful in the long term. Now that you know what it means to be successful on YouTube, in my next video I'm going to be talking about useful tools and strategies to find that YouTube success with dedication.
So make sure to subscribe. Peace.